If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed, this is the truth I would leave you with. You don't need to carry the old version of yourself into the new year. Not the habits that drained you, not the standards you have outgrown, not the identities that once protected you but now limit you. This is not about erasing your past, it's about releasing what has completed its purpose. The old you survived, the new you decide. There were moments this year where you acted smaller than you are now. Moments you delayed, moments you doubted, moments you choose comfort over courage. Forgive those moments that taught you something. But don't pack them into 2026. Growth requires space, and you can't step forward while gripping what no longer fits. Tonight is not about resolutions, it's about permission. Permission to stop explaining yourself, permission to stop repeating emotional patterns, permission to stop negotiating with habits that cost you peace. The version of you walking into 2026 doesn't rush. She doesn't chase validation. She doesn't abandon herself. She moves differently because she knows herself now. Release the urgency, release the noise, release the belief that you need to prove anything. You are not starting over, you are starting aligned. So take a breath, close this ear gently, and walk into the next one lighter. Not because life will be easier, but because you will be stronger, clearer, and self led. No more old you, not out of rejection, but out of respect for who you have become. Before you step into 2026, pause. Not to plan, not to rush, but to release. You don't need to carry everything forward just because you carried it this far. Some habits have expired. Some versions of you have finished their work. Let them go without guilt. Ask yourself gently, what part of the old me am I ready to release tonight? What belief no longer deserves access to my next year? Where did I outgrow my own patterns? What standard am I no longer willing to compromise? You are not walking into 2026 empty. You are walking in lighter. Lighter because you choose awareness. Lighter because you choose honesty. Lighter because you choose yourself. So, close this year gently. With gratitude, not attachment. With clarity, not regret. And when the new year begins, don't ask for a new life. Become the version of you that no longer needs to repeat the old one. No more old you, only the aligned, self led, and intentional woman you have already started becoming. Thank you for being here.